Hello, this is Dr. S. Anuradha Bai, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, SN Vanitha Pharmacy Mahavidyalaya, Hyderabad. This video is on inorganic compound zinc oxide. Learning outcomes. Students will be able to understand the importance of zinc compound, preparation, properties, identification tests, assay methods, uses, and formulations of zinc oxide. Zinc oxide formula is ZnO. Molecular weight is 81.38. Preparation. Zinc oxide is obtained by heating metallic zinc in air at high temperature. It gives zinc oxide. Properties. Zinc oxide, it occurs as a soft white powder. It is free from grittiness. It is odorless and tasteless powder. It absorbs carbon dioxide when exposed to the air. It is insoluble in water and alcohol. It is amphoteric, soluble in alkali hydroxides and dilute mineral acids. Zinc oxide with sulfuric acid gives zinc sulfate, and with sodium hydroxide gives sodium zinc oxide. Reflection spot. With this video, students can understand the properties, identification tests, assay methods, uses, and formulations of zinc oxide. What are the properties, identification tests, assay methods, and uses of zinc oxide that we are going to discuss now? Identification tests. To identify the zinc oxide, we need to heat the compound. Upon heating, it becomes yellow. Just on cooling, it becomes white. So with this, we can identify the compound is zinc oxide. Test for purity. It has to be tested for alkalinity. Next, limit test for arsenic, iron, and lead. Arsenic, iron, and lead are impurities. To check these impurities, we need to test for limit test for arsenic, iron, and lead. These must be within a limit. Assay. Zinc oxide can be analyzed by acidometric back titration method. So, zinc oxide, we can treat it with sulfuric acid. Then we need to titrate it with excess of acid with sodium hydroxide. So with that titration, it goes precipitation. So we can't identify the exact endpoint. To avoid that, we need to add ammonium chloride to this titration. So in this method, we can take 1.5 grams of zinc oxide. To that, add 50 ml of 1 normal sulfuric acid. Then add 2.5 grams of ammonium chloride and titrate the excess of acid with 1 normal sodium hydroxide solution using methyl orange as indicator. Uses. Zinc oxide is used as antiseptic and astringent. It is used in ointments, dusting powders. It is employed in the treatment of eczema, ringworm. It also used in the manufacture of adhesives, tapes, and bandages. Zinc oxide is used in wide range of cosmetics and personal care products including makeup, nail products, baby lotions, bath soaps, and food powders. Zinc oxide is also used in skin protectants such as diaper rash ointments and sunscreen products. It is used in normal skin lotions, say for example calamine lotion. So in these formulations also this zinc oxide is used. Coming to the formulations, so we can prepare different products, so zinc paste, zinc ointment, etc. So for the preparation of zinc paste, so we need zinc oxide finely shifted to 50 grams, starch finely shifted to 50 grams, white soft paraffin 500 grams. Coming to the preparation, first melt the soft paraffin and add zinc oxide slowly and starch, then stir it continuously to get smooth paste. The use of the compound is astringent and antiseptic. Next formulation is zinc ointment. For the preparation of zinc ointment, we need zinc oxide finely shifted, simple ointment 850 grams. To prepare zinc ointment, so we need to triturate zinc oxide with small portions uh, with simple ointment until becomes smooth consistent. Next formulation is zinc gelatin. The synonym of zinc gelatin is una paste. For the preparation of zinc gelatin, zinc oxide is used. It is finely shifted 150 grams, gelatin 150 grams, glycerin 350 grams, and purified water 350 ml. For the preparation, first take soft gelatin in a bowl and add purified water to this. Heat it with a glycerin on a water bath and maintain weight 850 grams. Then add slowly zinc oxide and stir it continuously to get zinc gelatin. It is used as protective. So with this video, students can understand the preparation, properties, uses, identification tests and formulations of zinc oxide. Thank you.